I believe the most underutilized expectation setting tool we have when we communicate is the calendar invite. Most of us just slap a title, so and such meeting, and then the URL to let people connect. The meeting invite can do so much more for you. What you call your meeting can set expectations for how people show up. I challenge you, the next time you set up a calendar invite for a meeting, do not include the word meeting in the title. That forces you to think of the outcome. If you are using the what, so what, now what structure that I so often talk about, make your meeting title the so what. What's the value and purpose of the meeting? In the body of the email, include the agenda. That's the what. What are you covering? Include ground rules and expectations. And then the now what can also be included, that it states what you expect to have the outcome be. By doing this, you actually set yourself up for success. Go one step further, and in the meeting invite or calendar invite, put a question or some kind of challenge and start the event, start the meeting with that question or with that challenge. That way people get engaged right away. To help you run better meetings and have better events, think about the power of the calendar invite. It can be a game changer for your communication.